XLOOKUP is a miracle function. It has many more features than vlookup had earlier. Nowadays, data analysts are using XLOOKUP function only and hardly anybody uses vlookup function because it has multiple features over vlookup. But do you know that we can extract the data based upon two conditions with the help of XLOOKUP functions? How do we do that? For example, this data we have different departments and we have the expenses data from Jan to June for these departments. I have created here a small table where I give the department as well as month, two conditions, and the data gets automatically changed here. For example, the first department is sales. If I change to cost of the goods sold for February months, it is this amount. If I change to January, cost of goods sold will show me correct amount like this. How do I do that? I use two XLOOKUP functions. So let us go ahead and learn and master XLOOKUP function because and save a lot of your time. So stay tuned till the end of this video because this is very important for all of you. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, and I will provide this working sheet, this practice sheet in the description. So let me know if you face any issue in the comment or any question that you have on XLOOKUP, and let us go ahead and learn XLOOKUP using two conditions. Before we go ahead and learn how to use XLOOKUP functions based upon two conditions, let us first revise how the XLOOKUP is used. So hello guys and welcome to Boost Your Career, your own channel to learn data analysis. So suppose this is the data that we have different departments here and then their expenses data from the month Jan to June. And here suppose we want to extract the data from April to May just for 3 months for these departments or few of these departments suppose. So I will put here XLOOKUP function is equal to XLOOKUP. Lookup value I will choose the department here and then comma. Lookup array in which column this department appears in my data, that column I will select. So naturally here also it's department column, the whole column I can select. And then comma, what is it asking the next is a return array. So return array means for how many months we need the data. Now here there is a difference between vlookup and XLOOKUP. I can get the data for all the 3 months April, May and June at once. I need not put the vlookup XLOOKUP function 3 times here. So lookup array, return array, what I will do, I will select all these 3 columns from here to here. Done. And then comma. If not found, do I want to write something? So here I will put in double inverted comma, not found for example. You can write anything or you can just put as a blank, and then match mode and search mode are not mandatory. So I will just complete the formula here and then end. Now you can see I will just put the formula here and I have extracted the value for all these 3 months. I will just copy this down, Control D, and you can see I have got the 3 months value in just 2 clicks. Okay, so isn't it very miracle formula that XLOOKUP has. But now let us coming back to what we want to do today with XLOOKUP. So this is the data that we have and we want to extract the expenses for a particular department for the particular month. So this is the combination for a particular department for a particular month I want to extract over here. So how do I do that? I use two XLOOKUP formulas here. So is equal to XLOOKUP. Okay. First formula I will put it on the department. So lookup value is naturally this department for which I want to extract, and this value will get changed when I change this. So lookup value is this department where it is appearing lookup array, it is appearing over here. So I will select from this to this, comma. Now return array. In return what I want, that is the value, but I have one more condition like month. So I will put another XLOOKUP formula, XLOOKUP. Now this time my lookup value will be this month, and comma, and where my month is appearing in these cells from F to K, the titles, and then comma, return array. What I want is this value, this expenses value. So I will select the whole value from this till this, the whole table of expenses, the whole table. Now look at the formula again, what I did, XLOOKUP, then I choose the department first, the first value, and then array for the department, comma, and then I put the second XLOOKUP value. For second XLOOKUP, I put the lookup value as a month from here, and the lookup array I put as the month which in where they are appearing horizontally, so from Jan to June, and then comma, and then whole data for sales for expenses I was selected. I will complete this formula here, first XLOOKUP formula and second XLOOKUP formula, and then enter. Now you can see cost of goods sold department here for the month of Jan, the value is 416,23278 minus, and it is matching over it. If I change to February, is it getting changed? Yes, 40464, and here we have the correct value. If I change this department, is it changing? The first one, sales, 826,06134, 826,06134 for Feb, and for Jan it is the same. What is it is giving? Isn't it very amazing use of XLOOKUP? So I hope you learned something new. I will put this Excel sheet in the description, the link. Please go ahead and practice it. So practicing and mastering is very important. And if you face any issue, please comment in the comment box. I will answer. And if you are not subscribed to this channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.